Hello and welcome back to my channel, Glam Gang. My name is Gigi. Today, I have an empty set of stands because they are gross. Look how gross they are. They're old and used, and it is time for something new. So before we do the set today, I just wanted to show you this little kit of stands that I got from Saviland. Not sponsored, of course. Saviland don't know me yet, but one day I hope they will. Uh, so anyway, on this, there was a little tab. I'm just showing you there was a little circle tab like here that I pulled off to facilitate opening the package. This is what it looks like if you want to take a screenshot, or if you want to order it and you want to know that little number on the back. So just showing you how grody these are, and it's because they're plastic. You can't clean them in acetone. So whatever gets on there and gets cured, you're stuck with it. And I did have some metal ones that were my original set, but there were only a few left because my grandson plays in my nail stuff sometimes and things get lost. So it was 100% time to order something new. And this set was like $9 or something. It was under $10, and after tax, it was like about $10. So I feel like that's a pretty good bargain. I'm sure you can get them cheaper somewhere like Temu or what have you, but I don't shop in those places. So what you get are the 3 packages of the nail stands themselves and the 3 bases, full of glitter. By the way, there's this pretty star one. You've got the hearts, and then this other one that is also stars, but different stars. And then they do give you a bit of this sure tack. Poster tack, sticky tack, whatever you want to call it. I don't like this stuff. I got some when I first started my nail journey. I'm not a fan, and I'm going to show you why. And this happens for me even if it's a name brand. So I know you're heading down to the comments right now to tell me what brand you use and how much you love it. I'm going to show you what I use and explain to you why I love it. And we'll see. We'll see what you think after that. So basically, that's all you do is grab a little chunk of it and stick it on the stand, and then you affix a nail to it. It's that simple. And from here, you should be able to do whatever you need to, right? Without the nail coming off. No, that's not how it is. That's not how it goes. So I just took the little bit that I put on those 2 stands and said bye-bye. I also want to show you that pinky nail one, look how tiny that is. And that's why it's not picking up my glue dots, which is what I use to affix my tips. And here we go with a bigger one. It pulls it right off. I usually will try to cut them in half, but I didn't go that route today. I just folded them over so they were nice and skinny, and then you can see how well it stays on there. It's see-through, so it's never interfering with you curing, and it's not interfering with how your nail looks while you're making it on the stand for a video. See how nice and clean that looks? So I really like the glue tabs there, or not tabs, glue dots. Although this particular one, they're the smaller size, so they call them glue points. I love them. They work better. I've been using them literally for years. Never going back. So all of this is Modelones, by the way. This entire nail journey today is Modelones with a little help from Saviland. And who else? Saviland and Gellen. So we're just going to do hearts today. Hearts. It's February. And so we're just going to do a little Valentine's love. I figured out after I used this brush that I didn't really need it. So on the second nail, you'll see I don't really use it. We're just doing, some color blocking, but with some curves, some curvy color blocking, if you will. And we're just using these 2 really neutral sort of colors for our Valentines today. We're not going in your face pink. We're just keeping it really fun and neutral. And then we're going to come in on this other nail here and just do a little line of crookedy hearts, right? They're not perfect. They're not in a straight line. They're a little crazy. I started making the heart or refining the shape of the heart with this longer brush, realized almost immediately, well, maybe not almost immediately, shortly thereafter, shortly thereafter, that I didn't really love it, right? I just was like, no, let's come in with a smaller brush, especially since this is a thicker polish. It's going to tame it a little better, right? And we're going to do 2 in this color. Then we're going to do 2 in that middle color there in that square, and 1 white. There's going to be some more white in the set, and so I figured that would help pull everything together a little more. You'll see. You will see. And now on this one, we're going to do another color block situation. And like I said, I realized I didn't really need that the liner brush. I just went with the line that the brush from Polish made, and let that make me happy, right? As long as it makes me happy when I do it, I'm good with it, right? That's your art should make you happy. I don't think art should stress you out. And when I feel like I'm stressing out about my art, maybe a little hop on my stationary bike or do some stretching or something to clear my mind, and then come back to my art and just let it make me happy. I just like art to make me happy. I hope you do too. I hope you do too. So we're just finishing up our little hearts here. I do show you pretty much everything in this set. I know sometimes I don't do that, but every nail in this particular set has its own flavor a little bit. And I mean, I guess I could have skipped showing you either the thumb or that ring finger that we did. The pinky finger is going to be its own little thing. Wait, do I skip the pinky finger? I might skip the pinky finger, actually. I'm trying to remember. I did the editing portion of this last night, and now I'm doing the voiceover. So let me say, I just don't remember. Now, your instinct would be to go black with this, but something happened. Something happened. Me and my grandson were playing. I'm going to insert a picture here so you can see it. What happened? Not that we were playing. We were playing. I have this huge exercise ball, and he likes to bounce on it, but I have to hold it with my legs for that to happen. And I don't know why I thought it would be okay to do that in my rolling desk chair, but our rolling started to get out of hand. Like, we started rolling back, and I couldn't stop the chair because the ball was at play. Okay, oh, sorry, while I am telling this story, we're just doing a little chrome here on that gray polish, and I'm still telling the story why I use the gray polish. So we hit the shelving unit that I have all my polish on, and it's a shelving unit with a smaller shelving unit on top of it that holds all the polish, and it's a hanging shelving unit, but I don't have it hung, and maybe this is my call to do that. We are just putting a top coat on that chrome, right? Because we're going to keep everything matte. Everything but the chrome is going to be matte. So anyway, the chair got away from us. We hit into that shelving unit, and all of the polish crashed to the ground. It was just a moment for both of us. One of the polishes hit him in the forehead. He was very upset. He's 4, by the way. There you go. That was our adventure. And I found this gray polish before I found the black. And I just decided we're sticking with Model 1s. I don't have a Model 1s black, so we'll just use this gray. And I have to say, I think that the chrome ended up looking pretty good on there. I know I showed it in the video, but I was yapping when I did it. If your matte top coat likes to grab chrome, remove anything that might be on it with a little acetone and then follow it up with some alcohol, and you shouldn't have any trouble. The reason I'm having trouble on that particular heart is that I did a little cleanup and I didn't do as good a job as I should have. So there was some residue left and the chrome stuck to it, and now I'm having to clean it up. So just make sure you're careful when you do your little cleanup excursions, and everything should be fine. And if the chrome is stubborn, you can use a little acetone. I just recommend a very tiny brush and a very careful hand. So now on that original heart we started with, we're going to just do the same chrome application, just coming in with a little bit of that gray polish, and then we will cure it and add our chrome details. The top coat I put on it was a glitter top coat. It was the first one I found in the mess, and I decided, oh, that might be cute because it's got pink flakies in there and it's Halloween. So I don't think it reads that well. So I think if I were doing this set again, I wouldn't do that. But it doesn't hurt the set in any way. Like that lighter color is like a mauvey pink anyway, so it brings out the pink tones in that a little bit more, but also just it's super, super subtle is all I'm going to say. The flaky pieces, whatever, they don't read all the way. There you go. They just don't. They don't. So I'm just refining my little outline there and making sure everything's cute. And I am going to come in and completely, wow, brain fart. I'm going to completely top coat the whole heart line, the whole scattery heart line there. I don't know if scattery is the right word. I don't think it is, you guys. Listen, I didn't sleep very much last night, so it is what it is, right? That's why my voice is a little crackly today, too. Uh, honestly, I feel like maybe I should have come in and raised these hearts even more to make them pop against that matte nail. And if I were doing this one again, I think maybe I would have done that. But we're already at the voiceover. I've already taken all the pictures. We're not going to go back and add a new detail, because I want to get busy with some other things today. There you go. That's all that is. I just want to do some other stuff, which basically just means housework in this instance, and take a nice walk with my dog. That's all I really want. I am going to cook a roast today, though. Do you like pot roast? Yum. Yum, yum, yum. So now we're just gonna top coat again on this chrome situation. Very pretty. Very pretty. I love these nails. They're very sweet. If you like sweet Halloween nails, but you're not a pink girly, like a bright pink girly, I think this set would work really well for you, because it does say, hey, I'm celebrating Valentine's Day, but it's also saying I'm a little more of a subtle girl. I don't need all the bright Barbie-ish pink, or even red. Like red is such a great Valentine color. Now on only one side of each of our color block nails. Guys, oh my goodness, what is wrong with me today? On one side only of each of these, we're going to add some sugar details. You don't have to sugar these. You could do these little details before you do your matte top coat and then do your chrome and be done. But I just decided it would be cute to add some sugaring. Why not, right? They're small details. It raises them up, makes them pop a little bit against the more neutral colors. And I just thought it was a nice little trick. Plus, I had seen somebody do this set, or a set very, very similar to this. I didn't see them do it. I just saw the end result. And that's what inspired me. And I couldn't tell if they'd sugared them or not. And I just decided I was just going to go ahead and sugar, because I like sugar and stuff, and I don't think I do it enough. There you go. Do I even need a reason to want to sugar? Do I? Do I need a reason? Huh. I don't think I do. Do you think I do? I don't think you think I do. No. So we're just playing with this heart, as I feel like I really messed it up. But then it ended up okay in the end. I don't know. It kind of looks more like a guitar pick. Hit me with a guitar pick in the comments. Is there a guitar pick emoji? I don't even know. I'm asking you for something I don't even know if it exists. I'm sorry. If there is one, hit me. Or maybe just a guitar. I bet there's a guitar. And then everyone who's looking at the comments but didn't finish the video, they'll be, why are there all these guitars in here? They'll feel like they're not in the know. And you know what? They won't be. There you go. There you go. If you're still here, guitar or guitar pick in the comment section below. I'm just doing stars in this heart because the heart's already a heart, right? I don't know. I just thought it was cute. Although, honestly, it kind of looks like a face to me now. I don't know. I don't know. I'm weird. Sorry, guys. I'm weird. Oh, I do show you the pinky. I do show you the pinky. We're just going to do the full nail with those raised little hearts and stars. I like making those little stars. They're just so cute, right? So cute. Really adorable. I'm running out of things to say, guys. Here we go. I just also want to say, I know that there's some crazy stuff happening here in America. We are definitely going to be celebrating some Black History Month this month. If you have any requests, let me know. We are very supportive of DEI on this channel and of loving everyone and including everyone. And did you see I almost sugared that without fixing that heart? That would have been sad because I would have had to wipe it off and do it over. I'm glad I caught myself. That was funny. But anyway, if you're wondering if there's any safe places on YouTube, this is a safe place. And this is the finished set. And I think they came out pretty darn cute. Really, really like them. I hope you feel the same way. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend, and I hope the rest of the weekend is fantastic. We are absolutely going to see you for some more awesome content next week. If you're not subscribed, please do so now. We are getting so close to 750, and I want to give this prize away. So make sure you click subscribe if you haven't already. And just know I adore you. I appreciate you. You are loved. And I'm always here for you. So if you need anything, talk about it in the comment section below. We're going to see you next time. Bye-bye.